Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto from Venmo to Coinbase. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your device. Log into your account if you aren't already. Navigate to the crypto section. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Tap on the option to sell or withdraw. Choose to transfer the crypto to an external wallet. Now, open your Coinbase app. Log into your Coinbase account. Go to the Assets tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Click on Receive. Copy the wallet address provided by Coinbase. Return to the Venmo app. Paste the Coinbase wallet address into the appropriate field. Confirm the details of your transaction. Review any fees associated with the transfer. Complete the transaction by tapping on Submit or Confirm. Wait for the transfer to process. Check your Coinbase account to confirm the crypto has arrived. Ensure the amount matches what you transferred from Venmo. You've successfully transferred crypto from Venmo to Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.